In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. First of all, you need to hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show. When it does, just click on it. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Additionally, if you ever wanna restore it, I can show you how to do it now. Just hold your display until you see all of those options showing up. Then hit widgets between color and style and home settings. Scroll to find Google app available here, and when you find it, click on it. Then swipe to the left to access search bar, and when you see it, hit add widget at the bottom. Then to move it, hold it, drag it and place it wherever you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!